on an aggravated battery.
Hi, thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings here with a couple of brand new 18 F-150s. We've got a cab and a half XL on the left and a Crew Cab STX on the right. Notice a slight difference in the grille. What we've added to these trucks is a very simple package. We've got a pair of our TIR-3s in amber on the front, and we went ahead with the LED HAW Duo in the OEM reverse. I'll show you that in a second. I want to highlight the mounting of the TIR-3s, that this will work in both grills here. I'm going to have future videos that show our lights in other grill configurations such as Lariat and Platinum, so stay tuned for those. Also check the video description for links to purchase. Let me show you a little closer on each truck. Here you can see we just went right through the plastic portion on the outer edge of the grill by the headlight. Gives a decent corner warning. Here you can see a little bit closer. You can pass the wiring right behind the headlight there, and it doesn't affect anything. There's no major electrical components or reservoirs behind that grill right there, so no worries. Here's that same location over on the XL grill. Out back you can see we went with our LED HAW Duo. I used the HD, the higher dome version, and we mounted it on the inboard side on an outward angle towards the edge of the taillight there on about a 45 degree. It works great for corner warning as well as the rear warning, and it doesn't impede the OEM bulb in any way. Again, that's the LED HAW Duo in amber in the OEM reverse. I'll show you a close-up. And if you look right between flashes there, you'll see where the LED HAW Duo is kind of pointed right center of the lens there. Inside here we just put our switch in a real popular spot right there on the left of the steering wheel. That switch right there is the green version of our 3/4 pop-in switch. I just wanted to also highlight the mileage on this one. That is 11 miles. We got this pair of trucks directly from our partner Ford dealer, and they had 2 miles when we picked them up to get outfitted. So thanks again for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings. Check us out at www.wickedwarnings.com. Get in touch with our social media on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Throw us a like if you're on YouTube. Subscribe to the newsletter if you're on the website. And check the video description for purchase information about this kit. Thanks again for watching.